Camel spiders are the subject of many myths, and given their appearance, it is no wonder why. These myths range from the belief that camel spiders are venomous, to the belief that they regularly kill camels to devour their stomachs. But one strange behavior which camel spiders are known for stands out, and it is in no way a myth. Yes, camel spiders do chase people. Well, not exactly. To be clear, they are chasing people's shadows, and aren't looking to proactively bite humans. See, most camel spiders come from hot, arid desert environments, and are largely nocturnal. So in the event that one is exposed during the day, it will seek shade and then create a new burrow if possible. And they are quite quick, being able to reach speeds of 15 kilometers per hour. I let the one you see here chase me a few times, but as soon as it found shade under a bush, it had absolutely no interest in me. And when the clouds covered the sun, the camel spider also lost interest in my shadow and wandered off. These arachnids are also attracted by campfires and other light sources at night, which is where I found this one. Since I released it in the hot morning sun, I made sure to find it a piece of cover and pour water on the sand to allow it to make a new home.